Welcome to AI Times. Join us in exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its remarkable innovations.
In today's video, I'm going to tell you about PromptPerfect, the ultimate tool for prompt engineering. If you have ever struggled with creating prompts for large language models or spent hours tweaking and testing your prompts to get the best results, then you are in luck. Now, we have a tool that can do all this for you. PromptPerfect is a web-based tool that can elevate your prompts to perfection with AI. It automatically optimizes your prompts for different models and goals, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're a prompt engineer, content creator, or AI developer, PromptPerfect makes prompt optimization fun and easy. To get started, click on the login on top right and create an account. Once you're logged in, and you scroll down, you will see that they have tutorials to help you get started. Now, let's go ahead and click on prompts. Here, you can see your existing prompts, create new prompts, and access all other features. You have drop down to choose model that you want to use. It has text models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Command, etc. It also has image models including DALL-E, StableDiffusion, MidJourney, and so on. You can also take advantage of add-ons. For example, you can choose to preview the prompts before and after optimization. You can also improve the quality of the prompts by choosing the add-on and so on. Let me show you an example of how to use this. Let's write some text here. Write me a 2-line intro on AI. Now you can see that it optimized our prompt to a much better version, and the response of the model also changed accordingly. This one covering some examples, potentials, and concerns of AI. That's how easy it is to create a prompt with PromptPerfect. But wait, there is more. PromptPerfect also offers some cool features that make prompt engineering even more awesome. You can upload a CSV file with your inputs and goals, and PromptPerfect will optimize them for your chosen model in one go. This is great if you have a lot of prompts to create or if you want to compare different inputs and outputs. Then there is Arena, which allows you to compare different models and prompts side by side using interactive charts and graphs. You can see how different models perform on different goals and inputs and choose the best one for your needs. This is great if you want to experiment with different models and scenarios. Let's take an example here. Let's type, write me a 1-line intro on AI. Now here you can turn on prompt optimization and the results will be based on optimized prompts. Now as you can see, each model generated a unique response and you can choose the one that fits your needs. These features are super helpful for prompt engineering enthusiasts who want to take their prompts to the next level. Now this tool also supports multiple languages, so you can create prompts in any language you want. It also provides an API and data access for advanced users who want to integrate PromptPerfect with their own applications or workflows. You can find more information about the API and data access on their website. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
If you enjoy the content I create, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me.